All right, this is going to be Faithfully by Journey by request. We're going to have a little piano part to get us started here. We're going to go rest. Okay, that's our intro, like a piano intro. So what we have is fours on the second and third strings. We have a rest at the beginning, so like one. We can hit those two fours to the two of the second string, and then the little ones open and back to those fours. So it's rest. And then right at the end of that measure, we have 0, 2, 4 on the B string. We're going to do that riff twice. So it's rest, rest, rest. So that one just went fours to two, opens to four and open on the B string there. And then we're gonna have 2 and 1 on the D and G. And then you have 1 on the G and open on the E, so it's. And then we have a little 3 here on the G string. Back to those little opens, so it's 2 and 1. 1 and open, 3 and opens. So the whole intro one more time is rest. Okay, then the verse starts. We have kind of similar stuff. Rest. Just hit those fours and then. So that one was fours, 2 opens, and then 4, 0, 1 on the G. And on that measure there, we also have a note coming in, kind of a swelled note, like 7th fret of the second string. It's like, kind of rings over that measure there. And then we're going to keep moving on. We're going to have, like I said, this measure that had the 7 with it. Had the. Then we go back to the E thing. 2 and 1. 1 and open. And then just opens. And then we're going to continue on. So just like the beginning. And then there's a little riff that goes with that. That's like 8 on the G. Kind of has a 4 and a little half bends a couple times on a 6. Back to that 4, so just listen for that. It's kind of in the background of this. So like I say, on that measure, then we keep going. So that one ended with 4, 0, and 4 on the D string. Moving on, we got same one as before at the beginning, and then same one we had before that, 4, 0, 4 on the D, and then we have our 2 and 1. 1 and open, open, open. And then we're gonna have a 4 and 4 on the second, open on the first. And then we have a couple more chords here. So that's 4, 4, 2, and 3, 2, 2. And then we had 4 and 3, 0, 2, 0 there. So I'm gonna go back to this before the verse starts again. We got rest. Okay, then. So that's like an E chord down here, 4, 5, 3. And the 4s. And it's kind of just like a ding, 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 you know, kind of a strum and a couple more strums after. And then we have a little swell, kind of a up and down bend there. So that's 12th fret, second string, up and down, then 11th fret of the G string. And then down to the 8 over here. And then later we have a fill. So 9 to 11 on the D. And then 8 on the G, back to 9 on the D. And then 9, 11, 9. Like I say, just kind of got to listen for these. And then there'll be kind of a long pause. You get more piano stuff going on. And then we get into that really cool riff. Okay, so it was little 7, 7 on the second, 9 on the third, and then 8 to 9 on the third, back to the 7 on the second. We do it again. Now the third time we go 8, 9, 7, 7, back to that 9 on the G. So let's try that. 3, we'll do all 3 of those. 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, and then we'll have an 8. Kind of holds for a while. After a minute, you'll have an E chord. And then we have a fill here. 12 on the second. Slide into the 11 on the G to that 11 on the little one. And then we're going to go. So we slide down to the 9, go to the 7, 9, 7. And then we do the 9 here in the second. Slide the 8 to 6 on the G. Hit the 4 and bend the 6 a couple times. So it's like. Okay, more kind of hanging out, waiting a bit, and then we got an F sharp chord here. And that's gonna be that 2 in the bass, and then a 4, 3, and 2 on the D string going down to the B string. Okay, then we're getting into another kind of power chord on E. And then we have a slide 3 to 4 on the big string into that power chord, A flat power chord. And then we have a 7 right before the new measure with the B power chord, 7th fret there. And then we have a fill. So this little fill here is going to go 7, 9, 7 on the second. Quick 8 to 6 on the G down to that 4. And then we got 6 on the D, 6, 4, 6 into 9 back to a power chord. So it's like back to the E power chord, sliding into that 3 to 4 to that A flat power chord. Then we're going to have a 7 right before the 7th fret power chord. So we have 7, 9, 7, 9, bend, 7, 9, then 9 here, and then 7 to 9. And then we have E power chord. Okay, so it's E power chord, 0, 2, 2, 4, and then that power chord, another power chord, and then 7, and then its power chord. Okay, and then we're gonna have 2nd fret power chord, down to 6 and 8 on the A string and back. And then we're into that forever yours. So it's C sharp minor, 4, 6, 6, 5, 2, 3. So we have like kind of a pickup note here, 6, 4, 4, 4, into an E chord. You could do this one, 7, 6, 4, 5, or you could just do a regular E there. So once again, we had. And then we're back into that cool little riff. Okay, we're getting close to the solo now. We're gonna have a couple more power chord bits. We got 2nd fret, this is a B power chord, this is 5th string. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and that big 4th fret, 2, 3, 4. And we had a little 2 before this power chord. 2, 3, 4. And we had an E, open E before that power chord. And then we have 16th fret of the 2nd string, we got a half step bend. And then we have this little repeating solo bit. It's going to go. Okay, so we have 18th fret of the G, bend it, let it go down. And there's a couple ways you can get this other note. I like to go to the 19th fret and do a whole step bend. And then we bend the 18 up and down and go back to the 16. So it's. So we do that twice, same thing, and then 2 16s, bend that 19. So once we bend the 19, we have 16, 18, 19. 2 half step bends on 18, kind of bend it down. Little 16 to 19, bend that 19 up and down, and then we're moving on. We got 17, 16 on the B. Slide the 17 to 19 on that one. And we got to get back and bend this 17, and then we have 2 bends. Bend it down, and then 17, 16. A few more bends on the 17. Down to 16, and then we get into this kind of more difficult, kind of faster phrase here. We're going to get. Okay, so here's kind of the tricky part. We got 17, 16, 14. We're going to hit the 16 on the way back. Bend it up half step to the 14. Pull off here. So kind of a pull off, bend, and pull off, bend, and then we got a couple pull offs, 16, 13, 11 to 12 on the B, and then we're going to go 11, 13, 11, 13, 11, bend that 11 to 9, and then 9, go into 13, 11, 12. Now here we have a little half step bend on the 14. 12, 14, 12. And then we get into this repeating bend lick. That's 19th fret. It's going to go. So you bend up the second string, then you hit the 19 on the first string, then you'll let the bend come down, and you just keep doing that over and over again. It's like 9 times. And then when that's all done, you got. Okay, and that's the end. So let's go back to that. We got the 19th fret. When it's all done, we're going to bend the little 19, then hit it normal, and then. So that's 16 and 19. And then 3 bends, pull off, 19 on the second and back, and then 19 on the second, bend that 18 on the G, pull it off, 18 back, and then we have that same riff from before. 2 16s, and then a 16, 18 on the D. All right, Faithfully by Journey. Hope you dug that. Like I say, just look at the tabs and listen to the song a lot, because this is a very spacious, it's a ballad, so there's a lot of space in here. You got to wait, you want to time things just right. So lots of cool stuff to learn in there. Faithfully, Neil Sean, Journey. Hope y'all dig it. Thanks for the request. Talk to y'all soon. Happy New Year.